Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am participating in the Back to School DIY Challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this DIY. Alright family, it is about that time everyone. It is time to go back to school and to prepare our beautiful babies with some items for school. Well, in today's DIY, Heidi wanted all of us to create one or more back to school themed DIYs. So today I have for you a DIY desk and locker decor. Right now my kids are going to start virtual school within the next week or two, and I decided to make this particular piece for my niece. My niece is an upcoming middle schooler and she will be in the 6th grade. This will be her official first time ever having a locker, so I decided to make her some locker decor. Or it can be desk decor if you like. So in today's DIY, we'll be using hot glue, E6000 glue. We'll be using magnets and all the items, the school themed items that you see I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. I decided to apply extra magnets to the back of my magnetic mirror. You do not have to do this step. This is just something that I did to give my mirror extra support. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tay. On my channel, I do DIYs, home decor, shopping, tablescapes, and so much more. Please connect with me down in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate it. I always return the love. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And also check out the playlist, everyone. There are a lot of fabulous creators that's creating back to school DIYs also. Right here, everyone, I am measuring the areas where my extra magnets are going to go. This is also a optional step. I just wanted to make sure that my desk and locker decor can hold items. So that's my whole goal, making sure it's strong enough to hold the items that I put on it. All right, I'm pretty much aligning everything up together to make sure it's in the perfect spot. I found the perfect desired spot, so I will be able to show you exactly how it's going to look hanging up in a locker. So I am applying my cute little clip cup that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use E6000 glue and hot glue to the bottom of that cup. I love these cute pom-pom clips. that I bought from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put those in the clip cup. I also have some more cute decor for this desk and locker DIY. I have a cute organizer that says every day is a new day. And she's going to really, really like this for the upcoming school year. Hopefully, once everything gets better with the pandemic, she will be able to use this in her classroom because my niece, she's also doing virtual learning too. And I love the colors and I just love how everything turned out. Now I am showing you another way to style your desk and locker DIY, just in case if you may have a child or someone that does not want to put it in their locker, you can easily just hot glue it. Don't use the magnets at all, and it can just be used for desk only. So that's what I'm showing you right now. I just wanted to show you how versatile this DIY can be. You don't have to use the magnets. So right here is me doing it without actually using the magnets. All right, everyone, this is the finished product. If you want to use this particular DIY in your locker, it looks really good. I'm using my refrigerator, you all, to show you how it will look. And also this is this DIY if you wanted to sit it on the desk. It looks really good. I love all the cute little pom-poms and all of that. It looks really, really good.